In today's challenging markets, gas turbine operators told us that they need lower generation costs and greater flexibility. They also said they want freedom. The freedom to operate and maintain their turbine in accordance with their capital and operational priorities. That's why PSM offers the GTOP upgrades as proven alternatives. Based on technology successfully in operation since 2005, packaged to provide efficiency, power, and lifetime improvements. With the GTOP 3.0 and 3.1 packages for the 7FA, you get maximum freedom with significant performance benefits. Slotting into your existing turbine with minimal modifications, GTOP 3 delivers performance benefits and operational flexibility you can expect from a state-of-the-art upgrade, but in a tightly focused and cost-effective package. In order to increase output, the compressor capacity is increased by aerodynamically redesigning the first stage compressor rows to deliver increased airflow and in turn increased power output. At the heart of the GTOP 3 is a proven optimized low-pressure drop combustor design that delivers efficiency benefits and provides the user with firing temperature flexibility. This firing temperature flexibility enables maximum lifetime or maximum output mode operation. To support these changes, the turbine section incorporates upgraded base alloys and coatings. Cooling air usage is also optimized for additional efficiency and power enhancement. Finally, we utilize the advanced functionality of the auto-tune system to monitor emissions and to ensure operational flexibility. The result? With GTOP 3.1, you get improved efficiency and up to 35 megawatt more power in combined cycle maximum output mode. But when demand is lower, the operator can switch to extended life mode to extend parts life and in turn the maintenance interval. Thanks to the PSM Auto-Tune solution, NOx emissions are always below 9 particles per million, and the turn-down ratio is as low as 40%. As a reliable partner with a proven track record on all major gas turbine OEMs, PSM offers a full-service scope and a global presence. The GTOP 3 can be installed during any standard outage and is interchangeable with standard 7FA.03 hardware, making for an efficient and open-ended investment. So, if you're looking for efficiency, power, lifetime, and the freedom to choose, opt for GTOP 3 from PSM, the proven alternative.